Good morning. I'm starting my day with some Erin McKenna's, some of their cake loaves. They are so good. Jim saved me some of his gingerbread one, and this lemon tea cake loaf is amazing. Chef Jim is currently cooking up one of my current favorite meals, which is minestrone. It's so good. I was missing like eating out, and this was something I was craving. And we found a great recipe. I'll link it below. The house smells incredible. Friends, it is such a beautiful rainy day. Do you like the rain? Because I really like it. It's a nice change for us. It's usually always sunny here. And while we're talking about the weather, I looked up the forecast for the next week, and it looks like now through close to Christmas, we're actually having like cool weather every night. High of 70s, lows in the 50s. Perfect. I wanted to show you another Christmas decoration, if you will, that I've been wanting to do. So basically, this board is so beautiful. I got it this summer. It's like a vintage farmhouse looking board. It came with all these different color letters. Yes, the last time I updated the date was this date. I said to myself, yeah, I'm gonna get this board and it'll help me know what date it is. But what's weird is that even though I haven't changed the date, I see the date every day and I say, that's wrong. The date's actually, and now I always know the date. So I want to change it to a Christmas countdown. Have you come to help? Oh my, was that a surprise burp? That's what we call it when she always looks surprised. I'm sorry, too close, too close. Would you like something, my dear? You want to go outside? I knew I wasn't going to use the board unless the letters were organized. So I also bought one of these, and when I got this board, I was excited thinking about doing stuff for the holidays because some of the stuff that they had as the examples was like holiday themed stuff. The truth is, these are tedious, and this one gets stuff on it quite easily because it's black felt. But I just love the look of it. I've really been trying to make sure to do all of the tedious little Christmas things I might usually in a normal year forget to do or just be too busy for. But this year I have time for all the silly little things like this. I did it. I love it. I like to space out the letters a little differently to give it a little fun visual. It also came with this stand that I love so much. And we'll see if I, update it ever. LOL. I can't remember if I've shown you my office Christmas tree, this Vlogmas. I know I put it on Instagram, but I just have a little pink tree in my office with some sentimental ornaments and just special stuff. This was like my favorite Disney Parks thing ever. The 60th anniversary of Disneyland. It was the diamond celebration and everything was sparkles. It was magic. Oh, Scarlett, what are you doing? Were you having a little dream? You want to go outside? I did the Christmas countdown. It's over here.
Oh, Christmas.
You're adorable. How are you this cute? Stop it. Oh my gosh. Somebody is very excited for Christmas, as am I. We have closed the shop for the season and we don't have the normal selection of paintings that we usually do, but we do have some of these available I wanted to share. So basically, the letter on the piece is, if you were interested in any of these, how you would purchase it. There's one listing on sparklyeverafter.com/Jim, and you would just scroll down and find the letter. This is the one from Anna Maria Island, and I did get some questions about it, so I wanted to show it here. So these are all 5x7 watercolors that Jim has done, and we would like to sell these and also be able to buy some more gifts for my cast member gift lists that I'm hosting. Would you like to go for a ride? You're very stoic on camera, Scarlett.
Go for a ride? Wanna go for a ride?
Okay, you'll
Go
wag
for
your
it.
tail for Dad. Does he take requests like this, or am I just wishing on a star here? Last night when we had our friends over, some of my favorite kids in the world brought me this beautiful snowflake star. Isn't it awesome? They made this. I love it so much. We like to just tape twine to the wall and use these white, I was gonna call these paper clips, clothespins. There you go. And it looks so festive when you get them all on there. You know, the thing with that Christmas countdown is, clearly I love Christmas, right? Like you guys have seen, like I'm kind of intense. I really like it a lot. But outside of like the excitement of waiting for Christmas, we actually celebrate till January 6th. I was kind of always like wanting a clear cutoff date, and we talked about like Epiphany a few years ago, and I was like, yeah, let's do that. Let's like know when it ends. And yeah, so we go until January 6th. My Vlogmas isn't going to be that long. I won't be like going hardcore Christmas everything on the internet too long after Christmas, I don't think, but we still celebrate. So when do you like stop celebrating Christmas? Because we got a range of answers here. I know people like take it down the day after. I know some people like, you know, go until January 6th like us. So what do you do? Tonight we're getting takeout. We're getting Christmas Carrabba's. Usually I like to go to Carrabba's every December. We used to go there a lot more. We don't go there as much, but I do like to go at Christmas time. Something about like the Italian food, like I'm Italian, I don't know. I love the music. It's just pretty at Christmas. We're obviously not gonna eat out inside this year, but we are gonna get takeout and do our thing. Jim finds really good vegan finds there. They actually, like Italian food I've found, like marinara sauce, they have the pasta, it's usually vegan, like depending on where you go. When I go to Carrabba's, I just like to get chicken Alfredo. That's my old favorite. So doing that tonight, and we call it off-roading. If I'm eating something like plant-based, we don't say cheat or anything because there's no guilt. That was my first thing, like when I was switching to a more plant-based diet, I said, there's no guilt, there's no like food drama here. This is like, I'm making this up for myself. I'm choosing my own diet, so there's no bad feeling. So tonight I'm getting Christmas Carrabba's. So we have 9 days left on our Christmas countdown. I feel like it's about to get really festive. We're mostly staying home, but I'm still excited about just, you know, baking, and I don't even know what else. All the movies. Like I still feel like there's so much to do, even though we're missing a lot this year. But we'll see. We have a couple fun things to do. I do want to see Christmas lights around Orlando. We're going to go to Jeter Bend in celebration for sure. I'll see you next time. Have a magical day.